I ordered the pieces of napkin, how I'm going to glue them, and I will put on each piece just a drop of water because they lie with my breathing, so the water will hold them put as I work on the first one. And you already saw I take a thin brush and firstly put in the middle plain water, just plain water, and this way the motif lays on pendant. Here I have a piece of cloth which is wet and very well squeezed, and with this cloth I press the motif to stabilize it, and after that I will take my glue and then with another brush, this is also a white brush but very soft, I will take a little bit of this transparent sealer and go over the motif. As the napkin paper is very porous, it will go through. And now it's on. Once again you can use the cloth and just dab over. And when it dries, you apply another 2 coats. In this phase, drying takes about half an hour or 1 hour. For now, this one is finished, and I will take this and do the same. First water everywhere. Okay, press it. Check the other side and press it. Okay, and then apply a layer of sealer. Okay, done. And now the last one. You go from the center toward ends so that you don't get creases. I made one here, something left. Okay, and this pressure corrects everything. And now the sealer. Nice. So now they are ready for the final coat of sealer in the next step. Firstly, I will do this one, the texture pendant, and I will apply matte sealer. It looks a little bit like antique, so the matte sealer matches better. It is understood that each time when you apply anything, color, sealer, you do first the good side and then the back side. This one is done. Now I will wash my brush, and on the 2 others I will put glossy sealer. And once more there is drying as a final step, and after 24 hours I put usually 1 other coat of sealer. The complete so-called curing is about 3 to 5 days.